racing as they settle. We have taken break quickly to start. We have by the rounding set. Blueprint comes next. Reality show Shining Speed. Then followed by Striking Thunder. Next online Red Hot Water. While Weekend Master is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Kingsack, the early leader, while Kenny Huff. Right then in second is Take 10. Shining Speed is down in third, running alongside Blueprint, then followed by Striking Thunder. Moving upon the outside, Reality Show. Next online is Red Hot Water, while Weekend Master is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have Kingsack by about 2 lengths. Moving upon the outside, Take 10, pushing through down on the inside. Now is Blueprint, then followed by Shining Speed. Next online Striking Thunder, then followed by Reality Show, Red Hot Water, while Weekend Master is still running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Blueprint. Kingsack draws back in second. Moving upon the outside, Take 10 with about 150 meters more to go. And it's still Blueprint, followed now by Reality Show on the outside. But it's still Blueprint, followed by Reality Show. A long shot, and nearing the finish line, it's Blueprint. Second, Reality Show, Red Hot Water. Then comes Take 10, Striking Thunder, Weekend Master.
Well, nakita natin ang panalo nito si Blueprint. Malayo.